Is your NFL Sunday Ticket app not updating scores in real time? Here's how you can fix it. The first thing you want to do is refresh the app manually. On iPhone or Android, swipe down on the scoreboard screen to force a refresh. If it still doesn't update, you want to close the app completely and reopen it. Next, check your internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi or mobile signal can delay live score updates. Switch networks, restart your router, or try mobile data for a stronger connection. If the scores are still stuck, you want to make sure the app is fully updated. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store and search NFL Sunday Ticket. Now, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After that, tap on the open option and check your score. On Android, you can also clear the app's cache. For that, tap and hold on the Sunday Ticket app. Then tap on this I button, which will take you to settings. Now tap on storage, then select clear cache. Once that is done, launch open the app and check. Finally, you want to make sure your device's time and date are also set to automatic. Incorrect settings can cause syncing issues with live scores. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.